Hey there, it's Lyndon Hold'em and Hold'em Realty Group. And for 20 plus years, I've been helping buyers, sellers, and real estate investors buy and sell real estate profitably in the greater Las Vegas area. And today it's Friday. It's Friday, May 3rd, 2024, when I'm recording this. And yes, I'm wearing my throwback t-shirt from the Golden Knights hockey first season. And today is an elimination game. If they don't win today, they're out, and they don't get a chance at repeating at the Stanley Cup win. So we'll see how it happens today, but go Knights, go. Anyway, today is Friday, and so we do our mortgage update. The average 30-year fixed rate mortgage rate as of today is this morning is 7.37%, which is the lowest. It's just slightly lower than it's been. The lowest it's been in a couple weeks. We had some fairly decent reports from the Fed this week. Sounds like they're not signaling that they're going to raise rates, and if they do, any move they make in the future, sounds like it'll be more likely to be a rate cut. So just some interesting things going on out there. Nothing too major, but at least rates aren't going any higher right now. And the data this morning seems to be strong, and so which would signal the odds are it'll go lower, not higher. And so fingers crossed, hoping for that. So it is Friday. We always do a quick update on a mortgage product or service, and this Friday we're talking about down payment assistance programs to kind of give you an idea. So for first-time home buyers or even other home buyers, sometimes there's a situation where it makes sense for them to take advantage of programs. There's state programs, there's federal programs. They're known as down payment assistance programs. And so what they do is basically bring different types of formats for the programs, but they basically provide funding or money that an individual can use as their down payment or to buy down interest rates or and as part of the closing costs, I should say, is primarily. So you can use the money for down payment and helping with closing costs, and of course, depending on other factors and what your cash situation is. And so a couple real quick things, and we'll wrap this up. First of all, obviously the positives of these programs, and well, first of all, there's a couple different programs. Home is Possible is one of them. Both basically it offers competitive interest rates as well as down payment assistance. And then we also have, there's a mortgage credit certificate program, which provides homebuyers an annual federal income tax credit of about 30% of the mortgage interest paid, up to $2,000 a year. Obviously, that's more of a long-term benefit, but it does help, making sure that your budget works. And then Nevada, and here in Nevada specifically, Nevada has a hardest hit fund that provides assistance to homeowners who experience financial hardship. And then if you're in the rural areas, there's a rural housing authority down payment assistance here in Nevada as well. If you have questions, and obviously click on the link below on the calendar link, but most importantly, you're going to want to talk to a mortgage lender. I'm not a mortgage lender, but one of the mortgage lenders that we work closely with can definitely provide you with insights and specifics for your unique situation. And so you always want to make sure you're talking to a professional. The point of this video is just to give you an idea of what's out there and what might work. So positives and negatives of down payment assistance programs. The positives are kind of obvious, at least some of them. Increase for affordability. If you don't have enough money for a down payment, it can help you get into a house. And reduce financial burden, kind of goes without saying. It provides assistance for down payments and closing costs, and helps alleviate some financial stress. And then potential tax benefits. There's several reasons why. So what are some of the negatives? So first of all, there's eligibility requirements. You can't just raise your hand and say you can do it and you get the money. Also, there's limited funds. Most of these programs, there's a certain amount of money that's put into the program, and when it's gone, it's gone. And so if you're interested and you know about a program, make sure you don't wait around. Take advantage of it. There's some administrative complexities, and one of the things that can it's not as easy to get a down payment assistance loan as a lot of different loans would be. So just be aware of that. And then potential resale restrictions, depending on the program, especially the ones that give you the biggest benefit. They may have restrictions on when you can sell your home. So it means you have to, if you take the money, you have to, it's a government-funded program usually. And so then you need to, say, stay in the house a certain period of time or own it for a period of time without to not have penalties. And so, those are one of the things that, just to wrap this up, is usually a down payment assistance program will have higher interest rates than the exact same loan without the down payment tied to it. And so just be aware of that. There are some, it's not all positives, but for the right people, for some borrowers, it definitely can be a great program, a great option. And so just make sure that you're getting professional advice for your situation. Just be aware that there's options out there, and give us a call. Click on the calendar link below and have a quick conversation with us if you'd like. I'm happy to talk real estate anytime. And so talk to you real soon. Lyndon Holdeman, Holden Realty Group. Hope you have an amazing day and amazing week.